Hello. So, I went to the Arctic today, the North Pole, and I saw Santa. He's pretty nice. I never met him before, or met him, whatever. And I needed some stuff from him, and he gave me some of this. What's that? He gave me some stuff from the Arctic. I wonder what that would be. Arctic Silver 5. High density polysynthetic silver thermal compound, 99.9% silver. So I'm going to put that in my CPU. Got all my questions figured out. Santa knows a lot about computers, like, you wouldn't believe it, like, it's insane. So, I'm going to build it, my computer. Yeah. But, I'm waiting for the RAM from my friend. He tested it out, just check the RAM if it's fucked up. So it's good, We're getting it tomorrow. So I'm just going to wait, get it tomorrow, and yep. Arctic Silver 5. My temperature is going to go down. So it was 40 degrees before. Now it's going to be like, guessing, I don't know.
Yeah?
33. Not only because I have the Arctic Silver, because last time I applied too much thermal paste, so that would screw up the thermal transfer. Oh, that's it. Build it tomorrow. Make a rebuild video. No point really, but might as well. Arctic Silver 5. Temp's gonna go down, right straight from the Arctic, North Pole. Santa. Keeps all his stuff in like freaking Ziplocs, so tidy up there. All his work. He just sits back. He's like, "I'm Computer G's. What do you want?" Yeah. Now, you better watch the video when I put it up, or I'm gonna go to your house and eat your sister. And when I mean sister, I mean Mars bar.
Hi.
Ooh.
Is that Mars? Oh, good, because I hate Mars.
Oh. Oh. Watch it. Oh. Woo! Watch it.